In this session, I am going to discuss about crystal or space lattice, unit cell, the types of unit cells, and the number of atoms in different types of unit cells. Okay, first, let us know what do you mean by crystal or space lattice. It is a regular three-dimensional spatial arrangement of lattice points. Unit cell is the smallest part of a crystal lattice which generates entire crystal when repeated in different directions. Lattice point is a point in a crystal which is occupied by a particle. Particle may be atom, ion or molecule. Okay, this is a picture of crystal lattice where we can see the unit cell, which is a small portion of crystal lattice, which when repeated in different directions it gives entire crystal, and the point occupied by particle is called lattice point or lattice site. Let us know the characteristics of crystal lattice. Each point in a crystal lattice is called lattice point or lattice site. Each point in a crystal lattice indicates a particle, which may be an atom or molecule, that is group of atoms, or an ion. When you join lattice points by straight lines, it gives geometry of the crystal. Okay, let us know the characteristics of a unit cell. In the picture you can see parameters of a unit cell. A unit cell has three edges A, B and C. A unit cell has three angles alpha, beta and gamma. Thus, a unit cell is characterized by total 6 parameters, 3 edges that is A, B and C, and 3 angles that is alpha, beta and gamma. Well, let us discuss the different types of unit cells. There are mainly two types, primitive unit cells and centered unit cells. Primitive unit cells are the unit cells which contain particles only at the corners of a unit cell. But the centered unit cells are the unit cells which contain 8 corner particles and 1 or more particles at the positions other than corners. Okay, in centered unit cells there are three types: body centered unit cells, face centered unit cells and end centered unit cells. Body centered unit cells are the unit cells which contain 8 corner particles and 1 particle at its body center. Face centered unit cells contain 8 corner particles and 1 particle at the center of each face. But end centered unit cells contain 8 corner particles and 1 particle at the center of any two opposite faces. A French mathematician Bravais showed that there are only 14 possible 3D lattices, and these are called Bravais lattices. Among these lattices, the available crystal systems are only 7. Among 7, most symmetric crystal system is cubic, where all the 3 edges are equal to each other and all the 3 angles are equal to 90 degree. Examples of cubic crystal systems are NaCl and ZnS. And most unsymmetric crystal system is triclinic, where all the 3 edges are not equal to each other and all the angles or not equal to 90 degree. Examples of triclinic crystal systems are potassium dichromate and H3BO3. Okay, let us know how to calculate the number of atoms in primitive cubic unit cell. Primitive cubic unit cell contains 8 corner particles. Each particle is shared to 8 unit cells, which you can see in the diagram. Hence, the contribution of each corner particle is 1 by 8. So, the number of atoms in the unit cell of simple cube is equal to 8 into 1 by 8, that is 1 atom. Hence, the number of atoms in a primitive cubic unit cell is 1. Okay, let us know how to calculate the number of atoms in body-centered cubic unit cell. Body-centered cubic unit cell contains 8 corner particles and also 1 atom at its body center, which you can see in the diagram. Thus, in a body-centered cubic unit cell, there are 8 corner particles whose contribution is 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 atom, and there will be one body-centered particle whose contribution is 1, that is equal to 1 atom. Totally, there are 2 atoms per unit cell in case of body-centered cubic unit cell. Let us know how to calculate number of atoms in face-centered cubic unit cell. Face-centered cubic unit cell contains 8 corner particles and 6 face-centered particles. Thus, in a face-centered cubic unit cell, there are 8 corner particles whose contribution is 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 atom, and there are 6 face-centered particles whose contribution is 1 by 8 too. This contribution you can see in the picture. The face-centered particle is shared between 2 unit cells. Hence, the contribution is 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 atoms. Hence, the total number of atoms per unit cell in FCC is 4.